Okay, let's continue on. A formula is an equation that states a relationship among quantities. Formulas are special types of literal equations. Some common formulas are given below. Notice that some of the formulas use the same variables, but the definition of the variables are different. So, we have formula for perimeter of a rectangle, circumference of a circle, area of a rectangle, area of a triangle, area of a circle, distance traveled, and temperature. Let's look at problem 3. It says, what is the radius of a circle with circumference 64? Round to the nearest 10. Use 3.14 for pi. Well, we look over here, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. And so I use 2 pi r. And I want to find out what the radius is. So I'm going to solve for r. Divide both sides by 2 pi to get r by itself. And I get c over 2 pi. I know the circumference is 64, so I plug that in. And I know pi is 3.14. So I have 64 divided by 2 times 3.14. And I get around 10.2. So the radius of the circle is about 10.2. Next, it says, what is the height of a triangle with the area of 24 inches squared and a base with a length of 8 inches? So I know my area is 24 inches squared and my base is 8 inches. If we go back to our formula list for area of a triangle, I get one area is equal to 1/2 base times height. And I want to find the height. So if I solve for height, and divide both sides by 1/2 base. And when I divide by 1/2, I get 2. So I get 2a over b equals the height. And so I can plug in 1/2 to find out what the height is. So I have 2 times 24 divided by 8. This is inches squared, by the way. And this is inches. And I can put that in my calculator. So I get 2 times 24, divided by 8, which is 6. Could have did that without that, huh? So we get 6 inches. So the height is 6 inches. Now, remember, we could have also, if you remember the formula, area is equal to 1/2 base times height. I could also just plug in my area and my base and solve for h that way. So that it is totally up to you, whichever way you're more comfortable with. I hope this helps.